Okay, hello fellow drone enthusiast. Marcus Crawford, otherwise known as Idaho Sledhead on my YouTube channel here. I'm going to try something a little different today. So I've got the little Visuo XS812 GPS drone. I've now seen it for as cheap as $78, so that's kind of interesting. It's amazing that you can get a GPS drone that cheap. One of the things that was a problem, or that I stated was a problem with this thing, is this camera. It really doesn't take very good quality video. So I thought I'd try something here. I've got a Garmin Verb GPS, or it's not a GPS camera, but it's a Garmin camera that's a 1080p. So I simply zip tied it to the drone. I think it weighs as much as the drone, so I don't even know if the thing will get off the ground. But I don't know. I'm gonna turn it on, put it up in the air, and see if it'll work. Now the other thing about it is strapping the camera on here covers up the on-off button of the drone. So I just flipped it to on, and I'll just slip the battery into it to turn it on. So I don't know if it's going to work, but maybe, and we'll find out together. So good news, I put the battery in and the drone actually turned on, so that's good. So it's telling me that the aircraft has a GPS connection, and I'm bound to the aircraft, so we'll give it a shot. So you can see that I have it full up, and it will not even lift the drone off the ground. Well, it was a nice thought, but it doesn't look like that's going to work. Okay, in conclusion, and I promise you this is the last time you'll hear me with this drone on any videos, but it is a toy drone. I think it's well worth the money. It's 78 bucks, but there are plenty of limitations to it. So don't buy something like this and think you're getting anything close to a Mavic or even an Anafi, Parrot, or Bebop or something like that. Because this is truly a toy drone that has plenty of limitations on it. But that said, I really think that if you are somebody that just are thinking about the sport and want to try it, don't want to spend a lot of money to try it out, go get one of these for 78 bucks. Just go get the one with the 720p camera and the single battery, and that's enough for you to fly it around and see if you can try it. It's a genuine GPS drone, so it'll work for you. And if it's something that you enjoy, then you can make the choice to buy a DJI product or a Parrot product or one of the higher end Hubsan products. That Hubsan Xeno is pretty interesting. Xiaomi makes some pretty interesting drones. They've got a new one coming out. But anyway, not a bad place to start. Okay, Marcus Crawford, Idaho Sledhead, signing out.